welcome to this video. My name is Asoro, and I am an automotive technician in Nigeria. Today, I want to talk to you about the importance of using coolant instead of water in hot regions like Nigeria. Firstly, let me explain what coolant is. Coolant, also known as antifreeze, is a liquid that is used in the engine cooling system of your vehicle. It is usually a mixture of water and ethylene glycol or propylene glycol with some additives to improve its performance. Now, you may be wondering why you should use coolant instead of water in your car's cooling system. After all, water is easily accessible and much cheaper than coolant, right? Well, while it may be true that water is readily available and less expensive, there are several reasons why coolant is a better choice. The first reason is that coolant has a higher boiling point than water. In hot regions like Nigeria, the engine temperature can rise significantly, especially during long journeys or heavy traffic. If the engine temperature gets too high, it can cause serious damage to the engine, such as overheating or even engine seizure. Coolant has a higher boiling point than water, which means it can withstand higher temperatures before boiling, and therefore better protect your engine. The second reason is that coolant contains additives that protect your engine from corrosion and rust. Over time, the water in your engine cooling system can cause corrosion and rust to build up in your engine, which can reduce its performance and lifespan. Coolant contains additives that prevent corrosion and rust, which means your engine will last longer and perform better. The third reason is that coolant is more efficient at transferring heat than water. The job of the engine cooling system is to regulate the temperature of the engine by transferring heat away from it. Coolant is better at transferring heat than water, which means it can cool your engine more effectively and prevent overheating. Finally, using coolant instead of water can save you money in the long run. While coolant may be more expensive than water initially, it can help prevent costly repairs to your engine. By protecting your engine from overheating, freezing, corrosion, and rust, coolant can help your engine last longer and perform better, which can save you money on repairs and replacements in the future. In conclusion, using coolant instead of water in hot regions like Nigeria is a wise choice for car users. Coolant has a higher boiling point and lower freezing point than water, contains additives that protect your engine from corrosion and rust, is more efficient at transferring heat, and can save you money in the long run. So, the next time you need to top up your engine cooling system, make sure to use coolant instead of water. Your engine will thank you for it. Thank you for listening to this podcast. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Until next time, drive safely.